my channel. So in today's video, we're doing another sticker shop Sunday. I had to think about that. Sticker shop Sunday video. Today I'm going to talk my top 5 tips for opening an Etsy shop and things that I think that everybody should do before they open an Etsy shop. So if you're excited, give this video a thumbs up if you like Etsy related, sticker shop video related, whatever. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you're notified whenever these videos go up, because you know you don't want to miss them. So let's just get into this video. So tip number 1 I have for you guys is to be passionate about your craft. Whatever you're selling, whether it's planner stickers, planner covers, blankets, mittens, whatever you make, be passionate about it. Like, do this because you're so passionate about whatever you're making and you want to share it with people, not because you make this thing and you want to make $1 million. Because if you do that, you're gonna be disappointed. Like, it's not gonna come overnight. The money's not just gonna fly in overnight. So definitely just do it because you're passionate about whatever it is that you're making, and you're so passionate about it, you want to share it with everyone else. So tip number 2 is to do your research, do your homework when it comes to the business side of things. Find out what you need to do in your specific state to be selling stuff online. So like for North Carolina, I need to have a doing business as, or if you need an LLC or whatever it is, make sure that you research that and you get that taken care of, because it's just gonna be one less thing you have to stress about later. Tip number 3 is to research whatever it is that you're making. Research the market for it, research the best supplies, the best, like how you can make that product better. Research it. So for instance, for planner stickers, research sticker paper. Try out different sticker papers before you open. You can order samples from places and have like a couple pages of like different kinds of sticker paper, and you can try it out. And then you can see, oh, I like this one, or no, that's not gonna work for me. And that way you have a good idea of how to make your product better before you even start selling it. So yeah, for sticker paper, you can try out different printers, or may not even try out different printers, but try out different settings on your printer and just different stuff like that. I think that that helps so much when you've already done that versus just putting a product up online where you didn't really try to make it better, you know? So I recommend like researching that and trying to make it the best that you can before you release it. Tip number 4 would be to get on social media if you're not already. I started a YouTube channel when I started my shop, and I started filming Plan With Me videos. I wasn't even really talking too much about my shop. I was just talking about whatever plans I had that day or the stickers that I was using or whatever. And that, I think, really helped me kind of build a little bit of a following. And then when I opened my shop, I had a couple people order from me, and that was really cool. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that was really cool to have a couple orders like within hours of starting my shop. That's not to say that's gonna happen for you right away. When I started in 2015. There was not a lot of sticker shops out there, and now it's like there's a lot. It's exploded. So that's not to say that that will be instant for you guys, but I definitely think having a YouTube channel really helps get a following. But then also Instagram, Twitter, Facebook group. Talk about it on your Facebook page. Not to be like annoying, just like say, hey, like I opened this shop, or like tell people about it. Because you don't want to be too over the top about it, but you also don't want to not talk about it, because you're really the only one who's marketing your product. Like, Etsy will do a little bit for you, but really like it's on you to get those orders and to bring people in. So you do have to talk about your product, but it's okay to like show your life on Instagram or show your life on YouTube or whatever, and be a person too. Like, it's okay to do that also. And then along with that, I would recommend like maybe sending your products to people. Maybe asking them, hey, can I send you this? Will you tell me what you think about it? Like, give me some feedback on it, because that'll help you improve your product. And then it could also help if they have a big social media following and they really like your stickers and they talk about them, then that could help you get some people to your shop also. So, and like doing swaps with other people, kind of making friends within the community, not making friends to climb the social ladder or to climb the sticker world ladder, whatever. But making friends because you actually want to make friends and because you guys are connecting on this thing that you have in common. I highly recommend that, because nobody wants like a social climber, but they want people to actually want to be their friend and not because it can get them somewhere. So like, make friends because you want to make friends, not because you want to climb that ladder. I think in the process of making friends, you will help your business also, but you'll do it in a way that's not like, you're not just using people, you know what I mean? You're actually creating like genuine friendships, and out of that your shop is growing. Did I say channel earlier? I don't know, but don't just do it to grow your shop. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so the final tip that I have for you guys is to just do it. Just put yourself out there, put up some listings, try it out. Worst that could happen is people don't order, or you could end up selling like millions of stickers, and it'll just be like so much fun and you'll love it every second of it. Well, maybe not every second. There are days where sometimes you want to throw the equipment out the window because it just will not work for you. But definitely just start it. If you're thinking about it, just don't wait for everything to be completely perfect. I do think research, test stuff out, but don't wait for everything to be completely perfect. You're never going to be 100% ready. So just do it. Just open an Etsy shop. It's gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be fun. So I hope that these tips helped you guys. If you're thinking about starting an Etsy shop or already have an Etsy shop and you're just kind of like, what do I do now? If you guys want to see more on this topic, or you want to hear like specific things, let me know in the comments down below. I think I also want to talk about switching over to Shopify. I've recently done that and it has been amazing, but it's tricky. So if you guys want to hear about that, or you want me to talk about like switching off of Etsy or adding a second shop, or where to get sticker paper, or this or that, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help you guys out. And I think that that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you own an Etsy shop, leave some comments down below, like things that you think are good tips for people starting out, because I'm not an expert. I'm just telling you things that, like, if I could go back now and tell myself before I opened my shop to do these things, you know, like I did some of them beforehand, like all the business stuff. Oh. But like just other stuff, like I want to share what I know now with people who are just starting out, because they, you know, because when I was just starting out, I didn't have anybody to like tell me these tips. So that's where I'm coming from. I just want to share my tips. If you are an Etsy shop owner and you have other tips, let them know in the comments below if you guys feel comfortable sharing them. And let's just comment. Let's have a whole conversation in the comments below, please. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are excited about this series. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe, because I'm gonna have another one next week and you wanna make sure that you're subscribed for that, and the bell notification, which will notify you when I upload. So yeah, but that is it for today's video and my top 5 tips for starting an Etsy shop. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.